Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you this coaster. I used DK cotton yarn and a 3mm hook. So let's begin. So let's start with the magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is going to be our first double crochet and chain 1. Yarn over, go back to the magic ring and work 1 double crochet and chain 1. Yarn over, go back to the ring, work 1 double crochet, chain 1. So this is our first double crochet, and I need 12 double crochets, and all separated by 1 chain, one from each other. So I have to work more 9 double crochets inside this ring to finish the row. Okay, so I have 12 double crochets, and each one of them are separated by 1 chain. Okay, I'm going to pull this tail a little bit. On the 3rd chain, I will finish my row with the slip stitch. I'm going to work in between the 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space. So I will bring my loop to the little space with the slip stitch, like so. Loosen up a little bit, hold it with your finger, give a little twist behind, grab the yarn, bring it back, help with the other fingers if you need, yarn over and pull it. So you have your first double crochet. Yarn over, go back to the space and work another double crochet. Chain 1. In the next space, work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 1. Go to the next chain 1 space and work 2 double crochets. Chain 1. So this is going to be the sequence for this row. Okay, to finish the row, come to the first double crochet, and you just pull your hook across the stitch, yarn over, pull it, and with the slip stitch you finish the row. Now slip stitch until you get to the first chain 1 space. Again, we are going to work in the chain the chain 1 spaces. So I will loosen up the loop, twist it, grab the yarn, bring it to the front, yarn over and pull it. Sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. Very well. Now I will work more 2 double crochets inside this chain 1 space. Chain 1. In the next space, I will work 3 double crochets. Chain 1. And the next space, I will work 3 double crochets and chain 1. Okay, so I will finish the row with the slip stitch in the first double crochet, and I will bring my loop to the first chain space. One double crochet to start, and then I will work more. One double crochet, chain 1, go back and work more 2 double crochets in the space. Chain 1. In the next space, I will work 2 double crochets, chain 1, go back and work more 2 double crochets, chain 1, work 1 double crochet, I mean 2 double crochets, I am sorry, chain 1, go back and work more 2 double crochets, and chain 1. So we are going to work 2 double crochets, chain 1, and more 2 double crochets on each one of the chain 1 spaces. Okay, let's finish the row. Make a slip stitch in the first double crochet, and with the slip stitch, bring your loop to the first chain 1 space. Now, I will chain 1, go back and work 2 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, chain 4. I will skip this chain 1, and in the next I will work 2 single crochets. Chain 4, skip this chain 1 space. In the next I will work 2 single crochets and chain 4. So I will work inside this chain 1 space, okay, just this space over here. I will skip 1, work on another, skip 1, work on another, just 2 single crochets and chain 4. Okay, so at the end I will chain 2, yarn over, and in the first single crochet I will work 1 double crochet. Let's make our first double crochet, and I will work more 2 inside this big space, and 2. Okay, Now I'm going to work two front post double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook in the big space and come out in the small one. The same that you worked the single crochets. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, and pull two loops. You have two other loops waiting. Yarn over again. Now in the small space, and then you come out in the big one. Yarn over again. Now you have three loops and you pull it. You finished the three together. Now inside this big space, I will work 7 double crochets. Okay, we got to the front post double crochet. I will yarn over, insert my hook in the big space and come out under those two single crochets. Yarn over, pull it two loops. You have two loops in the hook. Yarn over again. Now you go under the two single crochets and you come out in the big space. Grab the hook, the yarn, yarn over, pull it two, and then you have three loops and finish them together. Yarn over and work 7 double crochets in the chain 4 space. And there it goes. You have your coaster. Okay, I will work the front post double crochets, and I already have 3 double crochets over here. I need more 4. 3 and just one more. Okay, now it's done. So I will cut the yarn. Pull the tail. I need a tapestry needle. Now instead of going with your hook, you go with the tapestry needle. Go through. Adjust as needed. And then you go back to the same stitch. See, you have a perfect finished look. Now we need to hide this tail. We just go here once more, so you'll be secure. And I can cut the yarn. Okay, see? Now this first tail that's in the middle, just hide under the stitches. And cut the leftover. Okay, so you have a cup holder, mug holder, or coaster, or I don't know how you call it. It's a nice size. Okay, and you can use it with the placemat, like so. Okay, so if you like this video, give your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I see you soon with the next project.